Good Monday morning. Today is November 16th, and I'm here to give you your Monday morning meeting update. So this week, our focus is completing everything listed on your learning plan for week 11. Okay, Thanksgiving break is next week. You will be getting an email from me by Friday that says whether or not you will have Thanksgiving break. If you have everything completed and you've been doing your Epic Essentials, then you might not have any new work. I'm still waiting to hear about Epic Essentials for the week of Thanksgiving. Last year, Epic Essentials were still required even during holiday breaks. So information on that will come also. So just keep in mind that you might have to do your 5 lessons in Dreambox in your 2 hours of Freckle. So like I said, everything has to be completed by Friday at 5 in order for you to have Thanksgiving break. And I will be sending out an email by Friday that says, congratulations, you just need to complete Epic Essentials next week, or congratulations, you have some extra work to do over or some extra time to get caught up over Thanksgiving break. Couple of things that have to be done too before Thanksgiving break. You have to take your 9 weeks test. This is for grades 3 through 8. You will be getting an email from me today asking you to join one of the sessions I have available for this week on Zoom to complete your 9 weeks test. High schoolers, 10th and 11th graders only. In order for you to have Thanksgiving break, you have to complete your ACT benchmark test. So that has to be done this week as well before Thanksgiving break. Updates. I will have a Mastery Connect / study hall session every Thursday on Zoom from 2 to 4 p.m. So the Mastery Connect study hall session is for students in grades 3 through 8 who need to take a Mastery Connect assessment for reading and math, which would be everybody every week. So put that on your calendar to log in with me on Zoom at 2 o'clock to take your Mastery Connect assessments for that week. Everyone else, high schoolers, littles, if you are asked to come to study hall because you're behind on your coursework, you didn't get things finished, that will be Thursday at 2 o'clock. If you have a job, you're going to have to call in. If you need me to send an email that says, hey, so-and-so is a little falling behind, they need to stay home from work to complete their schoolwork, I'll do that. School should come first. What else? Let's see. Learning plans, pre-K through second. Basically, your learning plan is your offline work that you're uploading it. You have IXL lessons to complete each week, and then reading eggs and math seeds, or your core curriculum. So Odysseyware, if you're in Odysseyware, you'll be working on those things. Again, offline work, IXL, and then your core, whether that's reading eggs and math seeds, Waterford, or Odysseyware, or ExactPath. That's all listed on your learning plan. Also, attendance points. Some of you guys were caught off guard with truancy and attendance points, so I want to make sure that I make this very clear. Attendance points or gradable assignments is how we at Epic track that you are attending school. So how do we do that? We do that from showing up to meetings, completing your work. Those will earn you gradable assignment points or attendance points. So pre-K through second, yours is going to be that you uploaded offline work. You might get 2 points for that one, and this is all listed on your learning plan. You completed your math IXL, that's another 2 points. You completed your ELA IXL lessons, that's another 2 attendance points for the week. You completed your reading eggs time, that's another 2 points. You completed your math seeds time, that's another 2 points. Not everything, I scratch that. That's for pre-K through second. Grades 3 through 8. Your learning plan basically looks like this. You're doing science and social studies in your core, whether that's Bright Thinker, Apex, or Strong Mind. Science and social studies are done in the core. Writing is completed in No Red Ink. You guys need to log into No Red Ink and look at your current assignments and past due assignments to get caught up. You log into No Red Ink through Clever. You look at your current due assignments, and then you can click More, View More, and look at your past due assignments. You need to complete everything before Thanksgiving break if you want to have that week off of not having to do reading and math and science and social studies. Okay? Reading and math. Your plan basically states this. You have 3 things. You have to learn the topic by going to your ETI. That's in homework help. Check the video from last week for information on how to do that. Then if you have an ATI meeting, a Zoom meeting with a teacher, you need to attend that. Then comes the practice piece. That's your IXL, or it might be that you're answering questions for a worksheet and you're uploading those answers. Then the last piece is to assess. You will take the Study Island practice on your own, and you will take the Mastery Connect assessment with me on Thursdays at 2 o'clock. Okay, so again, ETI, that's going to be your graded assignment. Practicing, assessing, and that's all listed on your learning plan. If you're completing everything on your learning plan, then you have nothing to worry about. You're doing the right thing. Okay. There's also a box that says attendance points for grades 3 through 8 on your learning plan, and it lists out exactly what I'm looking for. Exactly what I'm looking for. Sorry, the daycare is closed because of COVID, so the kid is home with me. High school, your focus this week is obviously to do your core work in Play-Doh or Apex, but it's also to get caught up on EPIC Essentials. That means Shmoop test prep, completing those drills. Reading Plus, completing the 1 reading assignment and the 4 vocab. And then lastly, that you are doing the ACIT Google Classroom. Okay, the ACIT Google Classroom. If you need help with any of that stuff, send me a text, an email, or call me, and I will set up a meeting same day, hopefully, and we can talk through it. But from now on, I mean, it is just, I've given you all the resources I feel like that you need, so now it's time for you to do your part, and that's completing the work. Again, if you have questions about that, you have to reach out to me. Because your gradable assignments, high school, is coming from your core work and EPIC Essentials. So you're going to get 2 points, or 1 point for Reading Plus, 1 point for Shmoop, 1 point for ACIT. If you do those 3 things, you're getting the 3 attendance points. Then if you do all of your science, you get another one. Your English, you get another one. Okay? That's how you earn those attendance points. So again, to recap, all work has to be completed. This includes 9 weeks testing before Friday, if you want Thanksgiving break. If you guys have any questions at all, reach out to me as soon as possible so that I can help you, okay? Y'all have a great week. See you later.